Drone pool here. I have, let me get this back out of the way. I don't need that right there. I have the Tyro, Tyro 99 drone build kit. It's a 210mm frame. I know nothing about it. I have not researched it. I've done no YouTube videos or watched any YouTube videos. I guess it's fairly new. It sold out on pre-order, and then when I got it in stock, it sold out. So, I don't know. Hopefully that's a good thing, but I really don't know much about this. So, let's just get into it. Here's what it looks like. And this came from Banggood, by the way. And it is a Eachine product. Eachine. Tyro 99. Now this is a kit, you do have to put it together. So I'll have several builds this winter, a couple builds anytime. Got some Eachine stickers. Got a little bag of what? 3 screws right here on the very top. Okay. Metal frame parts. Looks like a pretty decent strap. Zip ties. That's a nice touch. Antenna. Part of an antenna. Here's the antenna. I'm kind of liking this so far. Harness cable. Power cable XT60. So, I like that. Here's all the frame parts. Boy, them arms are thick. I don't know if you can tell in the picture. But man, those arms are thick. So nice. They just threw a camera in here. Probably not the greatest camera, so it'll probably be something that I upgrade at some point. Probably not right away. What is it? Man, they don't... Yeah, I'm not digging how they package some of this stuff, because I don't want to break it getting it out. Man, that's tight. Okay, this is the PDB and all-in-one ESC, 4-in-1 ESC. I'm hoping there's really some paperwork with this. Eachine 40 channel DTX. That's nice. 25, 200, and 600 milliwatt. Motors. I'm not sure I'm liking all that wiring exposed like that. These are Eachine motors. kV? I can't see. 2206, 2150 kV. So, just to say that again, 2206, 2150 kV motors. I do like the orange and black concept. Okay, I don't know what this is for. A little machine gun. I don't know if you can see that. I have no idea what that's for. I guess I'll find out. Couple of carbon fiber wrenches. Ah, shrink tube. This is probably for the battery. There's a lot of parts in here. Good grief. Props. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. Man, let's count these props. There's a whole bunch of props. There's more than 8, it looks like. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 props. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, there's 10 props. 10 props in that one bag. What? 50, 38. That's what it says on here. It has an arrow on there. Racer Star. Man, them are some funky looking props. Look at them. Man, that's got some pitch to them. And I got a whole nother bag of them. So they send you quite a few props, so I like that. And what is this? Okay. Bunch of screws. A bunch of screws. I'm hoping there's some paperwork underneath all this. There better be. Nope. No paperwork whatsoever. That ain't cool. Oh well. I guess it's up to me to figure it out. So, yeah, good luck with that. I guess I'll have to do some research. So, there you go, guys. That's what's in the box. It's going to be a puzzle. I can't believe there's no paperwork whatsoever. No directions. Nothing. Sure, there's nothing in here. No. I'll probably be able to find something online. Nope, no paperwork whatsoever. So, alright. I'm going to put this all back in the box, if I can get it all to fit. Tyro 99 drone build kit. Should be an interesting project this winter. I was going to do this one first before my other one, but the other one's more straightforward, so maybe I'll do that one first. Alright, that's it. I got my work cut out for me. Drone Pool, signing out.